In a stunning turn of events, federal agents stormed Diddy's homes, detaining his sons in a highly publicized raid. What secrets were the authorities hoping to uncover, and how would this impact the future of the Combs dynasty? On March 25, 2024, the Combs family's world was turned upside down. Federal agents conducted a high-profile raid on Diddy's properties, detaining his sons Justin and Christian in front of news cameras. The operation was described as militarized, with heavily armed officers entering the premises. This dramatic event marked a significant escalation in the ongoing investigation into Diddy, who faces serious allegations of abuse and trafficking. The raid sent shockwaves through the entertainment industry and beyond,